This will be for the con exercise, find composite functions. Okay, they gave us two functions, g of x and h of x. And recall this little O symbol. You substitute the word of, so we read this as g of h of x. So they want us to write g of h of x as an expression in terms of x. So we're looking to find g of h of x. So that would be like so, g of h of x. All right. So we have h of x. All right. We can plug in 4 minus 3x in place of h of x. So that's going to be g of, and h of x is 4 minus 3x. Okay. And in order to evaluate g of 4 minus 3x, what you want to do is plug in 4 minus 3x in place of x for the g function. All right, so that's what that means. G of 4 minus 3x, you're plugging in 4 minus 3x in place of x for the g function. Okay, so that 4 minus 3x gets plugged in right in there. All right, so we have 3 minus, and in place of x, we're putting 4 minus 3x. And that x is squared, so the 4 minus 3x is also going to be squared. All right, so just rewriting, I gave myself more room. We have the 3 minus, and I'm just going to write 4 minus 3x twice because it's squared. And now we can use FOIL. Okay, so we have 3 minus, and I'm going to do this whole thing in parentheses. Okay, first is going to be 4 times 4, that's 16. Inner is going to be negative 3x times 4, so that's negative 12x. Outer is going to be 4 times negative 3x, that's also negative 12x. And last is going to be negative 3x times negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. And x times x is x squared. Okay, and now we can distribute that negative and also combine like terms. So negative 16, negative 12x, and negative 12x is going to be negative 24x. And when we distribute the negative to negative 24x, it becomes positive. So that's positive 24x. And the last term, negative times 9x squared, negative 9x squared. Okay, and finally, just cleaning this up, I would rather write the larger exponents first. So negative 9x squared. Positive 24x, and 3 minus 16 is negative 13. Final answer. Okay, I don't think they'll make you write the higher exponents first. So if you wrote this backwards, I think it's perfectly acceptable. Okay, so inside the box, negative 9x squared. Okay, negative 9 And here's the button. Oh, wait, negative 9x. Here's the button for the exponent, negative 9x squared. Hit the right arrow key and type plus 24x minus 13. All right, there you go. This is your exponent button there, or you can do shift and the 6 key. Okay, again, we have two functions, f of x, h of x. They want us to write f of h of x as an expression in terms of x. So once again, we plug in h of x, which is 4 times x minus 3 squared. In place of x, for the f function. All right, so that's what that means. F of h of x means you plug in this, which is h of x, in place of x for the f function. So said another way, you want to plug in h of x in place of x for the f function. So let's do that. Okay, so you want to take h of x, and that goes right in there in place of x for the f function. Okay, so we have 6 minus 1/2 times x. But in this case, x is 4 times x minus 3 squared. All right. So let's evaluate x minus 3 squared. Let's see. I hope I have enough room here. We have 6 minus. I'm just going to rewrite here. 4 times x minus 3 squared. So I'm just going to write the x minus 3 twice since it is squared. All right, so we have 6 minus, might as well multiply this right here. 1/2 times 4 is just 2. Okay, and then I'm going to do this whole thing in parentheses. First is x times x, which is x squared. Inner is negative 3x. Outer is x times negative 3, so also negative 3x. And last is negative 3 times negative 3. That's a positive 9. Okay, negative 2 times x squared is negative 2x squared. Negative 3x and negative 3x is going to give us negative 6x. So distributing negative 2 times negative 6x, negative 2 times negative 6 is positive 12, and we still have the x. Finally, negative 2 times positive 9 is negative 18. All right, cleaning this up, larger exponents first. Negative 2x squared, positive 12x, and 6 minus 18 is negative 12. Final answer. All right, so just click inside the box, negative 2x. Here's the exponent button, squared. Hit the right arrow key, plus 12x minus 12.